Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by getting immediate facts. Log into the server and open the error logs so you see the exact 500 entries and timestamps. Once done, verify disk space and recent deploys or config changes that coincide with the first error. Make sure to capture the request path and error message lines. They guide where to act first. This avoids blind guessing and gets you ready to test fixes that target the real root cause rather than random changes. Now isolate the fault by increasing error visibility in a safe way. Enable verbose errors in a development copy or set a temporary debug flag so you can see stack traces. Next, confirm file system permissions and ownership because incorrect modes often trigger 500. Correct files to 644 and folders to 755 and set executables. Once done, disable recent plugins or extensions and reproduce the issue with a minimal request to narrow the offending component before applying permanent fixes. Finish by applying the corrective action you identified. Fix the misconfigured file, update the failing dependency, or patch the buggy function, then restart the web server or PHP-FPM. After that, run targeted tests and re-request the problematic endpoints to verify 200 responses and clear logs. If you still see errors, one key troubleshooting tip is to check upstream services and caches. Sometimes a backend timeout or corrupted cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.